Hi, my name is Carol. I launched my business 1 year ago using REI Automated systems. And I remember when I launched my business, I said that I didn't want to create a full-time job for myself. I already have a lot of responsibilities with 3 small children. I'm a military wife, so we move all the time. I love going to the gym, coming to the beach. I knew that very quickly I would need to have systems in place so that the business could continue to go on, whether or not I showed up to my desk every day for 8 hours a day. That's where REI Automated comes in. These systems have already been created. The men who created the systems still buy and sell real estate to this day. Furthermore, I know them personally because I'm able to get onto phone calls, Zoom calls with them 5 days a week. So inevitably, if you're going to want to grow your business, this is going to be a cost you're going to have to incur. And honestly, the price for it is negligible compared to your earning potential. So 1000% REI Automated all the way.